In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable time tracking in BambooHR. Now to do this, first you want to go to your settings cogwheel top right over here, and then when you click on that, it's going to open up your settings for your account, and you want to scroll down and eventually you'll find time and attendance. So it's down here, you want to click on it, and then when this opens up, you have the first option, which is to simply click on the button which is going to appear over here saying you can start your free trial, or of course whatever it's going to say over here. You can just click on that and start it that way. But if that for some reason isn't showing or doesn't work, you want to go back to the account tab, so the first thing inside settings. And then on here, you'll be able to add this as an add-on. So if I actually scroll down here, you can see time and attendance is over here, and it's an add-on under available upgrades. You simply can click on learn more over here, and then you can read all about it, and then click on enable time and attendance over here. And when you do this, it's going to essentially enable time tracking in BambooHR, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.